In this video, we'll be looking at the latest Moza Racing R3 bundle. The kit comes with a direct drive wheelbase that produces a peak torque of 3.9 Nm, along with the new Xbox compatible ES steering wheel and the SRP Lite pedals. It's compatible on PC, and for console it's officially licensed and compatible with Xbox when using the new ES Xbox steering wheel. The kit includes everything to get started. In the box we have the quick start guide, a sticker sheet, the ES steering wheel, the R3 direct drive wheelbase, the table clamp, the SRP Lite pedals, 2 anti-slip silicone pads, the power supply, the hardware and tools for mounting, the USB cable and an RJ45 cable for the pedals. The R3 direct drive wheelbase's compact main aluminium body features a distinctive X-shape design. This design also acts as a heatsink which enhances the cooling, all with a high quality fit and finish as found on all Moza wheelbases. Taking a closer look at the R3 wheelbase, the wheel shaft has an integrated quick release mount which allows for a solid and secure connection to the steering wheel. At the top of the wheelbase we can find 2 handy mounting points for an optional display. Moving to the back we have the USB, the power connections and the power switch. The R3 also features an expanded range of connection ports for pedals, dash, shifter, handbrake and emergency stop. It's great being able to plug in all the accessories without using up any additional USB hubs or ports, which is especially important on console. Located at the bottom of the base there is 4 M6 mounting holes. The R3 can be installed and bolted onto a sim rig or attached to the included 15-degree angle table clamp. With quick and easy setup, the compact size of the R3 is well suited to be installed onto a desk. The lightweight ES steering wheel is built around an aluminium front plate, and it has ISF polyurethane grips. These are comfortably shaped and with a firm feel. At the back of the wheel we have 2 aluminium shift paddles for crisp and precise gear shifts, and the solid metal quick release for providing a secure connection to the wheelbase and for quickly switching wheels. There are a total of 22 customizable buttons with dedicated X, Y, A, B and Xbox buttons, making for quick in-game adjustments and for easy navigation of menus. The weight of the ES wheel comes in a light weight of 1,187 grams. Keeping in line with the lightweight and responsiveness of the ES wheel, there is the optional Formula Wheel mod. Being lightweight, it makes it the perfect addition to the ES wheel for Formula or GT racing. To install the Formula mod, we just need to remove the front 6 bolts on the ES wheel. With the bolts removed, the original wheel is lifted off and replaced with the Formula steering wheel. Then with the 6 bolts reinstalled, it's good to go. The installed Formula mod weighs in at 1,115 grams, which is slightly lighter than the original ES wheel, making it a perfect match with the R3 base. The included SRP Lite pedals come with an accelerator and brake pre-installed. The pedals are made of a high-strength steel, and these have a solid and durable feel. Both pedals use precision hall sensors for maximum stability, durability and consistency. Saying that, there is a choice to improve the brake pedals by installing the optional brake performance kit. The heel plate has multiple holes for adjusting the pedal spacing, allowing pedals to be moved left or right. There is also space on the heel plate to add the optional clutch pedal. The metal pedal plates can be height adjusted to dial in the perfect setup. The Pithouse software is used to adjust and control the wheel settings, such as the basic force feedback strength and rotation angle, or to adjust more advanced settings. There is a selection of pre-configured preset modes for quickly setting up the wheelbase to suit the driving style. The default settings work well and can be further customized to your preference and then saved. The software interface is user-friendly and very easy to navigate. Settings can also be controlled by using the mobile phone app. The RGB rev lights on the steering wheel can be adjusted within the software. Switching in between modes is completed by pressing and holding the S1 and S2 buttons on the steering wheel. For an entry-level direct drive kit and using the included steering wheel, the R3 driving experience feels quite good. Steering wheel control is smooth, detailed and accurate, and it feels better than similarly powered belt or gear-driven wheelbases. With 3.9 Newton meters, it's best to use the included lighter weight ES steering wheel or the optional Formula Wheel mod. Overall, the R3 kit is an entry-level, no-fuss direct drive setup for casual gaming and racing. It's sure to impress new users looking for a starter setup to have some fun.
Opens of a crest, 50. One right tightens. Into 6 left. Opens of a crest, 70. 5 left of a crest to dip and caution, 5 right tightens, 2 of a crest. 50 downhill, 1 left tightens. And 4 right long of a crest, tightens, 2 tightens.